देखा कि बहुत डेवलपमेंट हुआ है। यहाँ पे मैं 2010 में जब गोल्डन यूनिवर्सिटी थी इंस्टीट्यूट की जब आया था, और उसके बाद मेरे को फिर वापस
बैलेंस कर रहे हैं। Hello.
Mr. Rajan Singh, alumni after
1972.
Nowadays he is Deputy Speaker of the Madhya Pradesh Assembly. Formerly he was Minister Twice of Rice.
एल्यूमिनाई का कार्यक्रम था इसलिए मैं
You got company.
का नाम रोशन करें, अपने घर का नाम रोशन करें, और फिर उसके बाद कॉलेज के लिए
हेलो
Deputy Speaker, now Minister State.
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू। आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
एक फोटो और लेना। मुझे पता है बजे भाई आपका थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग।
गौरव की बात है, ये हमारे लिए बहुत गौरव की बात है कि मेरिट एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन ने ये कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया है, जिसमें एमएससीटी से पास आउट और आज जो मेरिट से पास आउट हमारे साथी निकल रहे हैं, उनको ये अवसर दिया है कि वो सब आपस में मिलें, वार्तालाप करें, देश की बेहतरी के लिए उनका क्या योगदान हो सकता है इस बारे में विचार करें। तो मैं इसके लिए जो मेरिट एलुमनाई एसोसिएशन है उसको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। यहाँ से निकले हुए सभी हमारे जो साथी हैं ओके।
हाँ हेलो नहीं हम हाथ तक चले नहीं ये
सब ये वही I request everyone to please take the seats. ठीक है भाई, ठीक है सक्सेना साहब, सबको आगे कर देंगे। I would request everyone to kindly take the seats. Everyone to please take their seats. प्रदीप अग्रवाल साहब, मुकेश अग्रवाल साहब, प्लीज take the seats. The program is about to start. Everyone to kindly take the seats. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. Kindly take your seat. Shri Rajan Singh ji, Deputy Speaker and the Vidhan Sabha. Guest of honor, Member of Parliament from Bhopal, Shri Alok Sanjay. Trustee, Rolta Foundation and Founder Chairman and CEO of Rolta Group of Companies from Mumbai, Kamal Planet, Dr. Apu Kuttan, KK. alumni, Shri Kamal K. Singh from Mumbai. I would now request Shri P. K. Saxena and Sunil Vijayavati to kindly present a bouquet to our chief guest. Shri Ajay Verma and Shri Arun Yadav kindly present the bouquet to our guest of honor. Shri Praful Seth and Anand Bharti kindly present the bouquet to Shri K. K. Singh. Shri Ashok Bulani present the bouquet to Dr. Atul Puttal. Shri Zahid Khan to present the bouquet to Mr. Shahid. Thank you all. I would now request to kindly come to the dais and deliver the welcome speech.
Shri Rajan Singh ji. Yeah, he's a doctor. Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Alok Sanjay ji. Shri Kamal K. Singh ji, founder, chairman of the Rota Group of Foundations and CEO of Rota Groups of Companies, and Dr. Appu Kuttan, Dr. Manit, Shri Shailen ji, our guest, and my dear friends, alumni and ladies. Today is a very special day for us. Firstly, it is a foundation day of our college. Long back, I think 1960, the same day the college was established, and we have completed about 54 years. Secondly, today we are one of the alumni to the college, which is a innovation incubation center. And thirdly, of course, so many guests we have got with us today. Firstly, Dr. Appu Kuttan, Dr. Manit, a scholar, a researcher, and an administrator. Dr. Appu Kuttan, he has done a lot of research, a lot of his papers have been published, and very technician, and so much work he has been doing in the college, because we have seen him. Last time when we have done the Spirit 2010, that is the time the different directors were there, and then after he has come. Today when we visited the college, we could see that a lot of work, infrastructure work and also the student was very good. So I'm sure that with him being there and with the alumni, he is having a very good relation. He is supporting all the causes for the alumni, and I'm sure that with his being there, the college is going to keep progressing. We welcome you on behalf of the MSCT and Monetary Associations. Alumni of 1970 batch. Immediately after doing his degree from here, he got selected to do the post-graduation from Harvard. And the Rota Group of Companies started coming, and today he is manufacturing the most sophisticated and advanced technology in the country, which even sometimes even world many of the things are not there. His establishment are in some about 40 countries. And today, his group of companies are doing about the turnover of about 2,500 crores. And the Rota name, sir, he never forgets our alumni cause, he never forget the past. If I am correct, then he started his business, his company with the rolling mills that time. And then after that, he shifted into the high tech. So I think the Rota name which has come is, Rota is from rolling mills. And seeing all these activities, I'm sure the A must have come from the alumni. So, thank you very much, sir. And in 2010, when we were doing the Golden Jubilee celebration, that is the time he has presented 1 crore rupees to make a innovation incubation center in the college, because he wanted that. And all these ideas, because I have interacted with him in Bombay when these all talks has taken place, and that he wanted it must come as a world class, and after some time this must be the best. Today, this center has been inaugurated in the Manik, one of the best center, and I will request each one of you to must go there and see the type of work the students are doing. As it is, anyone coming to the Manik has to be one of the best, and after that, when they have been given all type of resources and guidance, they can create wonders, and they have been creating wonders. I request all of you to please go and visit them. And when we saw them, and then he said that 1 more crore rupees will be given if they wanted to buy any equipment or anything. Please give a big hand. This college, this will continue, and this is going to become one of the best center. The IITs are going to say that if you wanted to see the incubation or an innovation center, please go to Manet. We, on behalf of Shelly has just come to us, and I'm really very thankful to you for joining us. It is a great pleasure to have you here. Achha, oh, very good, very good. So I hope, expect full support from you for all the causes. Now, as well as Shri Alok Sanjay forward, I don't know, 27, 4 into 7 working. I don't know where he gets the time to meet everyone, where he gets the time to discuss each and every issue which is concerning to the development, and he is always with us. Since the day we have been working, any support, anything is required, anywhere it is to go, any office, any minister, any this thing, he is always with us. And with being a man, and he wanted to do a lot of things, and with his age, I'm sure that he will sure that whenever we need your support, it will continue. And you are a part of the Manet, because being in Bhopal, you know what is Manet, and we will be very happy to have your patronage all the time, and we'll continue this. And from the side of the association, you guys speak whole night. If I have to speak about him, he is one of the very, very active member of the Manet, because when we were in the first year, he was in 4th year. We have seen him. There is no game in the world, I think, other than basketball, volleyball, which he doesn't play. And when he play, he really play. We have seen him. He was our hockey captain. He was cricket. He used to make the centuries and centuries. And anything, anywhere he is there, that is number one. And a very active, very well-known figure. And even after doing all these things, he was good in studies also. So we were not. Either we sometimes were good in study or sometimes in other activities. And then after that was the 24-75. It was a great success. It was inaugurated by the Chief Minister and concluded by the Chief Minister and Governor both. And it was a wonderful. 29 universities took part. And this hostel number between 6 and whatever that, by the name of the MSCT, anyone had gone to him, he never take time to meet him, and most of the time his work has been done. So, sir, we welcome you, and I'm sure on behalf of this association, and it is always, this is my belief. And but before I conclude and come down, there are certain facts and certain things I would like to bring into your notice. Firstly, this association was established just before the